Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers. Is a cannabis sector stock. I previously talked about this particular stock on January 29th, and there was a public offering, and the offering was around 0.75. So I made the video, and then I think we rode the wave up to $4. Then I sold everything. Then again I re-entered into that particular one because I think this stock has a good potential in short to medium term. So before I start talking about that particular share, I just want to say a few more things about the overall market because even though we had a green Friday, maybe we will go up starting from Monday. But again, like watch pre-market, watch how the market is behaving. Sometimes we see like the first hour of the market is green, then it becomes red. Do not go heavy, like just watch for some time how the market is behaving, because I think we might see another red day, a big red day, maybe Monday, Tuesday. I don't know, but I do not want to invest heavily without watching the market. If your preferred company share price comes to your preferred price, you can set some limit by order. There is nothing bad if you do that, but do not chase any stock in case if it goes up, who knows, like it will just crash again. So anyway, just do not jump and do not invest all your hard-earned money. Anyway, this video is about SNDL. So I'm showing you a daily chart starting from 2019 September. You can see it was around $6, then came down all the way below $1 definitely. Then I think since November, when the new Biden government came, it started going up. So the journey started from 61 cent, it went up to like $4, then it came down. So looking at a daily chart, what we can see that after the massive run up, then it's coming down. But I will zoom to a 5-minute chart later, but just wanted to show that's the overall picture how we are doing. Also, you can look at TLRY, Tilray. So again, you can see the same thing happen, like it went up, it came down. There are different news associated with Tilray. They're earning their partnership overseas, but anyway, you can see a big run up, then it's coming down. If I look at ACB, I think we look at the same thing. It goes up, then a big down, then we are coming down, and maybe we will consolidate and go back. So on a sector wise, like it's not only SNDL that's a penny stock, it went up then it's crashing. No, it's like even the bigger ones, TLRY, ACB, the overall sector is coming down. And especially on Friday, you can see like how the stock became green, and we have a long week up, so it's a good sign. Anyway, also here on bar chart, I want to show you I think the upper two one is Tilray and ACB, and the bottom one is Sundial. You can see how they're moving same way. Means that like the Sundial, even though it's a penny stock, but it is moving in the same way as the overall sector is moving. It's nothing wrong with this particular stock. When you see your stock is tanking but overall sector is green, then something you need to worry, especially if it is a penny stock, is a pump and dump. But for this particular one, when it moves with overall sector, then I think there is nothing to worry. Also, even though I sold most of my position around like 3.5 to $4, but I again re-entered to that one because I think there is a good potential for this particular one, especially when you look at their debt-free status. Like this is huge, right? And they did some offering, they raised some cash, at the same time they are debt-free status. There are also some new news came, I think last week. They made a partnership with another company. They also regained the Nasdaq compliance for being above $1. So now the investors, I think they will be more relieved when they know like it has regained its compliance, also like debt free and other things, right? And also we know like with the new government how they are trying to legalize that federally. So not only few state, but it's overall US it will be legalized. So I was also looking at some news like for today, which is Sunday, 7 hours ago, 1 day ago. So top US lawmakers want to make cannabis federally decriminalized. What to know? you can go over the news. But the good thing is we all know that like they are working to make it legalized federally. So whenever there will be some movement or some kind of good news, I think the overall sector will go up. So at the same time Sundial will go up. So I see a this stock will go up. At least it will go to $3 to $4, and currently we are sitting around $1.5, and that was the support, the blue one, around 1.2. So it bounced off that particular one. I grabbed some more share here. So what we can expect now, it can bounce back again. I'm looking at the RSI is pointing up, but at the same time I can see the MACD is coming down. But what's the stock, how it is moving? In my last video I talked about the support and resistance, but maybe we will also quickly go through. So let's move to 5-minute chart and let's see how we did last couple of days. So yeah, so this is the line I was talking about, like 1.2, let's say 1.25. so around 1.25 the stock bounced back. So let's draw some other lines. I think these lines are important. So one is like around 1.75. that could be a resistance. We hit once, we came back, and we can also see we tried few times. There is a big gap up, so the stock came down. So if we can push 1.75, we can go definitely higher. The other ones, I think something around here, which is around 220. So again, like once we pass that 1.75, then around 220 would be another resistance. And then definitely the max is like $4. But what about like if we, let's say more conservative, 3.2 or 3.5 something, right? Yeah. So I think if anyhow it comes to like 1.25 again, grab some share. Otherwise look at the levels 1.75, 2.2, and maybe around $3 and 3.4 something. Maybe I'll just draw one more here. And the other one in terms of support, if we break 1.2, maybe we will come around 1.1 something, around this line. Let's put it green. And so you see the overall picture, like in case we come below 1.2, it will come around 1.1, 1.2 is something, right? But overall I think the stock will bounce back from here. It can move sideways or it can go up again. So I'm short to medium term for this particular stock, because like when I see the stock is behaving with the entire sector and is respecting the support, so I feel good. So I'm loading more share for this particular stock. So whenever it comes down, I'm just loading. At the same time, you all know I love to play with options to get some quick money. So let's go back to option as well. So this is bar chart and I'm showing you different expiry date. I think the one I have is 16th of April, and my strike price is around 1.5 and the premium is 0.6. What it means that your break even is 2.1. If you believe by April 16 the share price will go to 2.1, then you will be in profit. So when I say 2.1, so basically once we cross 1.73, then there is a fair chance that we will go up to 2.2. And on Friday we tried to break that 1.73, but we came down because the overall market was going down. It went from green to red Friday afternoon, so I think it came down. But again, this thing can again pick up and it can go higher. So entirely up to you. If you want, you can choose April. If you want to give it more time, choose July 16. The premium is very cheap on July 16. You can see even for just $5 more, right? So from April, if you go to July, you give 3 months extra and you pay only $5 more premium. So I think this is a better one. Choose 1.5 strike, just pay $65 premium, that's it, and your delta is good, 71. If you want, you can go with like higher delta, but for this one I have 5 call option, I guess. So, and I believe like it will go higher. I think I do not need to wait till April, but if you want, I think play with a July expiry. I think it's safer because the increase for 3 months, the premium is only $5 more. At the same time, you get a lot of time. You get 147 days to expire. So entirely up to how you want to play with the option. If you buy 100 share, you have to pay $150. On the other hand, if for call option, you just need to pay $65. market delta is 71. So different people has different mindset. You can play with here, you can play with option, but overall I see this stock will go up again. So that was the main intention for making this video. I made couple of videos on this particular stock, but I think this is the time. If it comes back to 1.5, load the share. I think it will go up soon. So anyway, if you find this information useful, do not forget to like the video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much, my friends, for watching this video. Take care. Peace.